use a trust, and then you don't have to pay taxes. What? That's so clever. And you don't do any paperwork. You don't fill out anything with the IRS, so there's no paper trail. Like,
Yep.
clever again, look at them go. And then I was like, wait a second, if you could do it, I could do it too. Like I heard that when I was in grade school, you know what I'm saying? So, what's good for the goose is good for the gander. Okay. They have us programmed like you can't, they're trying to use scare
Yeah.
tactics and stuff on us. So I'm not really into it. I was like, you got the money. So how do we get the money from you? So just using these legal methods, it's like I'm not afraid to follow the rules if I can look them up in the IRS paperwork and go, oh, this is how you're doing it, and just catch them and then just track down how they're doing it is all I did. Let me go first. Did it, no problems whatsoever. And every year after year after year after year after year, here we go. No problems for anyone. In fact, it's quite the opposite. It's like, guess what else I unlocked? You know what I mean? It's amazing. It's actually kind of fun,